The trick is to understand there's a pulse, there's a rhythm here that I don't like and don't want. What I want is real smooth, slow motion, and I can't get it. You can hear this lump-a, 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 lump-a. Right there, you can see it even more. If I slow this down to about 3/4 of an amp to the input, I can slow it down. I can't go any slower, it won't run. There it is. That is 0.7 amps. 0.7 amps, and you see it looks like there's a hard spot, and then it takes off, and a hard spot, and it takes off. And I've tested all the gears, I've checked for roundness, I've checked for the straightness of the shaft, and everything seems to be okay. The challenge is, I guess, I have to agree that it is always in the same spot. So that would indicate mechanical, not electrical. Unless it was in a rotation of the motor, which would mean a bent shaft, or an out-of-round shaft, or something like that. I guess I have to say that. At first I was thinking it was the power supply not giving me a lumpy enough or smooth enough DC, but now that I see it's always at the same spot. Crap. Alright, well, that's the advantage of videotaping. Then of course if you speed up, it smooths out. You still hear it. You can still hear it. That's at 1 amp. That's at 1 amp at 10 volts. That's 15 volts, it's still 1 amp. It's not flat out. But you can see there, it feels smooth enough, so there's just enough frictional resistance. I don't know if it's gear. It's a brand new drive gear, brand new factory original, and a nearly new motor. The motor's been around, but it's barely been used, and it's been used in one engine. And when I spin it, it spins squares. It doesn't seem to have any issues. But as we can see, there I slow it down and it's always in the same spot, isn't it? Okay, so I guess... I guess... What could it be? An out-of-round gear on top or the bottom? Because it seems always in the same spot with a smoke gear, doesn't it? That's interesting. Alright, I'll play with it. I have no idea what this is.